There is nothing like checking out Catalina Island aboard an open-air Hummer. Welcome back everyone to Mike on the Move. This video will highlight my adventure checking out Catalina's unique topography, cruising 1,500 feet above sea level. This is the Ridgetop Adventure Tour. Santa Catalina, or better known as simply Catalina Island, is one of California's Channel Islands. Due to the close proximity to LA and the California mainland, this island makes for a quick getaway destination for some shopping, some bars and restaurants, but also the beaches. Catalina offers a lot of opportunities for adventures, including the Catalina Casino, built in 1929, stands as a historic icon, reminding us of the days when people enjoyed a movie, dinner, and dancing. Pretty cool, right? So now that you're familiar with Catalina Island, let's get into the Ridgetop Adventure Tour. Before I begin, it's really important to share that this tour is not for people who are scared of heights. If you are scared of heights, do not take this tour. Make sure you get your tickets in advance to drive in this baby here, the Biofuel H1 Hummer. In preparation of the tour, I do recommend you bring sunscreen, a hat, sunglasses, a camera, and gratuity. The tour guide was awesome. So this tour travels 5 miles up a rugged interior where you will experience spectacular views of the entire island, the coastline, and its deep canyons.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Bear. I'll be your tour guide for the next couple hours. We're gonna go feel right. We're gonna cruise on up to the ridgetop up there. They got some really good views up there. I'm gonna point out a few things on the way. I'm gonna tell you a little history about this island of ours. But we do have a little wildlife on the island, so if you see something, let me know.
Now, we were very lucky to have Bear. He was an awesome tour guide. Friendly, fun, knowledgeable. He loved his job for sure and worked hard to make sure that we loved our time with him as well. This is a 2-hour tour. This tour also includes a quick tour of the city, or in this case, a small town, as well as checking out the Catalina Conservancy, which was founded in 1972, is one of the oldest private land trusts in Southern California, which protects Catalina Island. I also thought it was pretty cool to check out the island's only gas station, to check out how the island produces its energy, as well as learning about its new source of drinking water through the island's new desalination plant. Alright, so enough of the city tour now. We are now moving from the city of Avalon property, which is part of LA County, to the Catalina Conservancy property, which is a private property land trust protecting the island. Let's check this out. One thing you'll quickly notice as you travel throughout the island of Catalina are these fire breaks. People might mistake them as ski slopes or even trails, but they're fire breaks to protect the island from wildfires, which is pretty prone and known well in California. Check out this view and the view of those fire breaks. Look at that. It kind of lays like if it was like the Great Wall of Catalina Island maybe. So again, Catalina Island is part of California Channel Islands. There are 8 islands, 4 on the north, 4 in the south. Catalina is part of the South Island, and from the distant there, you'll see, I believe that's San Nicolas Island. Alright folks, this is my favorite part of the trip. We are now 1,500 feet above sea level. There I am with my Hummer, checking out the island with 360 views, including the city of Avalon. This makes the trip an awesome experience. Remember I said this trip isn't for those who are fearful of heights? Soon, you'll find yourself moving pretty fast on that Jeep with steep drops on one or both sides of you. You better hold on tight. One thing I've learned on this trip is that you'll never know what you'll find or see when you explore outside the city of Avalon. This is a beautiful island. I think this is what Southern California looked like before it was developed. By the way, the path you see below you is part of the Trans Catalina Trail. This trip also included a quick stop to check out the island's reservoir, as well as stopping at the Haypris Reservoir in hopes of encountering the North American bison. I kept my eye open the entire time on my trip to find a bison, but that did not happen on this trip, hopefully the next. As we end our adventure for the day, we come across a beautiful line of eucalyptus trees. The tour winds its way back along Summit Road as we make our way back into the city of Avalon. Well folks, we made it back to Avalon before the sun has set. This is my personal experience checking out the Ridgetop Eco Adventure Tour, which I highly recommend if you are in search of a fun, fly by the seat of your pants experience. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe to Mike on the Move so I can keep you posted on my latest videos and adventures. I hope you return again soon. Stay safe and stay well. Bye-bye.